Hello there, everyone. This is Ashmita from Sourav Sir Classes. We are focusing on detecting errors in today's video, and we are going to talk about the ways in which we can detect or spot the errors. So, in almost all the competitive examinations, we come across these kind of spotting the error questions that might carry around 5 to 6 marks in each of the competitive exams. So, there are certain rules of grammar that you can follow to solve these type of problems. So how to solve spotting the error problems? First, let's take an example over here. Much water has flown under the bridge. This is incorrect. Much water has flowed under the bridge. This is correct. So very little possibility of checking the incorrect word because it's really hidden. Like in while reading, you won't be able to follow only what's incorrect. So read properly, read each and every word, each and every letter, and check where is the error. Okay, so from here you have a glimpse of how you can find an error because it's too minute to find. So yeah, these are the types of questions that might be given. Let's talk about some of these sentences. On the left side, we are focusing on what is wrong, and on the right side, we are going to focus on what is correct. And we can see the red markings means that that part is wrong or carrying the error, and on the greener part, we can find out the correct part of the phrase that has been replaced. Let's focus on the very first one. I know him good. No, I know him well. Don't go in the sun. Don't go out in the sun. On what are you here? On what you are here? Okay, what are you here for? Okay, just see the structures getting changed. Next, tell me why did you do that? Tell me why you did that. Okay, I want a little quantity of milk. I want a small quantity of milk. I, you, and he will do it together. See, I cannot be placed in the front if you have something else with I. Like if you are adding I and my family, no, it would be my family and I. Okay, so here you see the correction you, he, and I. See, I is placed at the last. We'll do it together. Next, I'm in favor to stop work now. I'm in favor of stopping work now. She did a request for some water. She made a request for some water. Okay, so made from did it's becoming made. The girl wants to get married, wants to herself get married. Okay, but over here you don't need to add this word or this reflexive noun herself. Okay, because obviously the girl will definitely get married to someone else and on her own uh, like choice, so you don't need to use the word herself uselessly. Okay, this option is preferable than any other. Okay, with prefer or preferable we basically use to. We generally use to, so to would be the proper answer. So this option is preferable to any other. Give literally a translation of the passage. Give a literal translation of the passage. Okay, open the last but one page of the book. Open the last but one of the book. Okay, my sister's all the books have been stolen. All my sister's books have been stolen. Those who are absent, I shall punish them. I shall punish those who are absent. Okay? All right. Yeah, we're going to keep it till here today in this video. Let's meet again in the next videos where we're going to talk in more details about this topic. Okay, and if you want to follow our video related topics like this, then you can join our classes for the live lectures. All the descriptions regarding our classes details would be given in the box below this video. Okay, if you have any queries, do post down in the comment box below. That's it. Let's meet again in the next videos.